Hello family, you are warmly welcome to our channel. If today is your first time watching my video and you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification for latest update. Like, share and leave your comment down below. Yes, your comments are very important to me. If you have any question, please drop it under the comment section and I will humbly answer you. Our topic for today is about how to use this leaf that you are seeing on your screen, that is melody leaves. Some call it live plant and some others call it reversion plant. How to use it to make your touch and follow love remedy. In fact, it is very simple to prepare mighty in action. Are you a man and you've proposed to a certain lady for several times, several days, on the several occasions, but she always turns down your proposal? She never accepts your proposal. You can try this and she is going to accept your proposal. Or there is this girl that you have spent profusely on, but or in the name that you want to get married to her, but she never shows up. You can try this and you are going to get her. In fact, it is very simple to prepare but mighty in action. Or are you a woman and you need something from your man, but it looks like your man is just a miser? He doesn't want to give you what you request for or what you have requested for. You can also do this and speak to your man. He is going to do all your heart desire for you. He's going to make sure that everything you ask, he will just provide. That is a very simple but mighty remedy for you. Materials needed for this simple but mighty remedy are: you go to where there is melody leaves and just pluck one leaf. Yes, you pluck one leaf, then you go to market and get your salt. If you have salt at home, you can get your salt. I'm sure that salt might be available at home. Just get a little salt, and this is how you will do it. After you have the materials are only two. Yes, after you have the materials, you will just put the little salt on the melody leaves, then place it under the sun. Yes, you place it under the sun, then allow it to stay there for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, go and take it. Then you just squeeze it. You squeeze it by rubbing both of your palms together. That is when the melody leaves and the salt are in between both of your palms. Then you rub it until there is liquid coming out. So when the liquid comes out, this is what you will do. You just throw away the chaff, the residue. Then you will allow the liquid to dry on your hands. You will allow it to dry on your hands. Then you go and look for the lady or the man. Yeah, now when you look for the lady or the man, you touch the person whilst talking or saying your heart desire. You can hold his or her hands, or you can put your hands on his or her shoulder, then say your heart desire. Wherever your hands can touch, you can touch him or you can touch her. Then you say your heart desire. You pull out what you want from him. Say everything, say that thing to the person, and he or she is going to provide everything that you say during that time. Anything that you will just ask from the person, he or she will just try to accept it and do it for you. It is very simple but mighty remedy. It works like magic. Just go and try it and see that yes, indeed there is power in nature. It's no joke. Yeah, you cannot joke with this. But let me warn you, don't do this to a married woman. Never try use this remedy on a married woman, because if you use this on a married woman, the after effect is very disgusting. It's not good. It's very bad. You won't like it. So never use this on a married woman. Never try to do this to a married woman, because if you do that, in fact, you are going to be doomed. Yeah, you are not going to like what you are going to see, because it is not meant for that. It is meant for somebody who wants someone to get married to. If you want someone to get married to, you can do it. But if you just want to use it on somebody's wife, just to have an affair with her, in fact, you are going to do yourself more harm than good, because 80 rules doesn't allow you to do that. Yes, you can use it on any single lady or single woman, but for married woman, please stay off them. Stay clear of them. Never go close to them. It no go area, so don't try do that. If you do that, you are just doing yourself more harm than good. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if not you have not subscribed and turn on the bell notification for latest updates. Like, share and leave your comments down below. See you next time in my next video. Bye.